As our luck would have it, I think East to West put either leftover items or B stock on everything on this damn rig, because everything seems to have been broken, whereas on our other one we had zero issues. Now we've got MaxxAir Fan, the automatic lids. They're cracked where the plastic molded injection bracket connects to it, almost like when the lid comes down they're not adjusted properly and it's putting too much upward force on it, so it's actually cracked it. The one time it rained in 2 months here in Texas, of course, we had 2 leaks. So I'm going to show you the cracks in them, and I'm going to show you the stopgap that we put in place to to stop the leaks. I took pictures of it. I'm going to send it to MaxxAir Fan, and we'll let y'all know whether they cover it under warranty or if I have to buy the parts and fix it ourselves. So anyway, here's the video on what I did to temporarily fix it. This is literally just a stopgap, but what we'd like for y'all to do, if y'all have run across this problem or if this is a common thing, put it in the comments, let us know, because we've never had this happen with a MaxxAir Fan before. We've never had a cover issue, never had one crack. So let us know what y'all's thoughts are. If it's happened to you, let us know.